Wayanad. Major landslides hit Mundakai and Churumala in Wayanad in the early hours of Tuesday, killing at least 300 people. In terms of fatality, this is the largest landslide related disaster to strike Kerala. So far, around 400 families are stranded and over 191 are hospitalized. Even as a massive rescue mission went late into the evening, at least 98 people are still missing. Those yet to be found include laborers of tea and coffee plantations and their families, migrant workers from West Bengal and Assam who were asleep in their cottages when the tragedy struck have also been listed as missing. It certainly seems like a natural disaster.